So first we're going to cut the rough lumber down to 8 inches. These are spare 2x4s and 2x6s that I had laying around. Make sure if you're using a stop block that you let the blade come to a complete stop before you pick it up out of that material, or it could kick back on you. More times than not, it will kick back on you. These are going to be for the our corner posts, as I call them, on our tiny lanterns. After we get them rough cut, we'll take them over to the table saw and cut them to 1.5 inches. Here I'm just cutting these 2x4s and 2x6s down to 1.5 inches wide. It'll be 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Right here, we're going to glue our corner posts to our bottom plate. Having a little trouble getting the glue off the tip there. Just put some glue on there, and then you actually stand these. You'll actually lay these down sideways, flat on your work surface. I've got glue and stain and poly and lacquer all over this top, just throwaway top. And then I'm sitting here trying to figure out the best way to get those even so we can put a brad nail in them. I used 1.5 inch brad nails on these. You could probably get away with 1.25 inches, or probably even 1 inch, shooting through 3/4 material into those corner posts. And we'll just glue these and brad nail them. Here I'm going to glue the top plate onto it using glues, brad nails. When you put this top on, you might have a couple posts that aren't exactly straight. It'll be fine. Just even one corner of it up, brad nail it, and then as you go around it, straighten all the rest of them up. It'll come out. If all your cuts are square, it'll come out even. It'll come out level. And it'll all be good. Here I'm going to take my trim router and put a nice little design around top edge of it. I'm not sure, I don't remember what that router bit is, I don't remember what the dimensions of it are, but it puts a nice design around the edge of it. Then I forgot to take a video of it because my phone was dying, but cut another piece for the top and put the same trim design around the edge of it. And then we'll take our hook back out here and sand it to 120. I usually start out with 40 grit, and that takes all the glue and any imperfections or anything off the wood before you go to 120 and sand it smooth to get it ready for stain.